share all your knowledge and your wisdom and your heart with us. Are you going to be teaching us to how to open the heart chambers one by one?
Yes, of course. What I do with my bowl, this is I harmonize your electrical with your heart and your gut. This is your Holy Trinity, synergizing. When I do like this, it's a synergizing. So your brain and heart, they vibrate in synergy, perfect. You know. So this is and this is the portal to your subconscious, your Akashic record, your personal. You know. And also everyone has an aura, so we merge in with you, and through the eyes we receive, and so you already have within you. It's just a matter of to be aware and how to bring to awareness. That's exactly what I'm doing here. Interaction, life interaction. I don't like computers, I don't like phones, and so you can share in your circles, in your, which is your family, it's your closest, your friends, yeah. And women are men with womb, and that's really appointed by divine, the responsible one. But it doesn't mean that man is not responsible. Men have different roles to support, because together we're birthing the future. Either kids or projects or art or, everything you think it exists in a parallel reality. And when you vibrate high frequency, you anchor that reality into your life. So you don't need to move anywhere. You can live in heaven here, right here.
Know thyself and you'll know the world. Like what she said. It's true though. And sometimes I feel like I have to do, and I have to like learn and read, and it's just like I feel like this anxiety that I'm so behind, and I have so many things that I need to learn and to be able to share my gifts with the world, but I don't know what they are exactly. But really, it's just like going inside and like learning how to unlock the heart spaces and creating heart connection, which I'm excited to learn.